You will be surprised to see how blessed you are. You should be thankful for your childhood, your youth, for your health, for whatever the wealth that you have. Now, try to find out some more things for which you need to be grateful and show the gratitude. Write down five such things. One, two, three, four, five, which make you feel happy and contented. Life can be taken in two different ways, totally in a negative manner or totally in a positive manner. The way you see it appears to be. Yad bhavam tad bhavati, like the way you see, the way you feel, it depends. Here is a situation where two people see the same situation in a different way. One sees in one way, the other sees in another way. Once two salesmen were sent by a shoe making company to a country to explore and report the market for shoes. Two salesmen were sent by a shoe making company to a country to explore and report on the market for shoes. Two persons reported. We'll see how they reported. First person, first salesman reported, there is no potential here. Nobody wears shoes. Let me repeat. There is no potential here. Nobody wears shoes. The same situation, the second salesman reports. There is a massive potential here. Nobody wears shoes here. Nobody wears shoes here. What did the second salesman say? There is a massive potential here. Nobody wears shoes here. Situation is all the same. One sees it in a negative way, another sees in a positive way. See how different it is. Can you tell me who the person with positive attitude? Doubtlessly, yes, second person. Now, negative attitude affects our life and prevents us from realizing our full potential. It makes us depressed, pessimistic, and unable to cope with challenges of life. People with positive attitude are happy and successful. They are optimistic and have better outlook on life. Now I'll try to find out different benefits that we get out of positive attitude. I'll give you a few. You have to add a few more. Will you? One. Reduce stress. If you have positive attitude, your stress levels will automatically be reduced. Self esteem increases, confidence levels increase. And third thing is you achieve success. Success is achieved without any doubt if you have positive attitude. Now, can you write a few more? What are the benefits of positive attitude? Four, five, six, seven, eight. A famous person named Winston Churchill, British, says attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. It counts a lot. Now I am going to give you some situations and see how you react those situations in your life. If you face such situations, how are you going to react? When someone insults me, I will. What will you do? Will you insult the other person back or forgive? When I get low marks, I will. I will cry, I will commit suicide, or I will try to improve next exam. I will do something I have not done before, and that is challenging one, interesting one, or what's your point? When I fight with my parents or friends, I will. Will you vindicate, become revengeful, or ignore, forget, forgive. If I identify my pet worried, I will, what will you do? Give your reason, answer. In any given situation, one thing is for sure, that those troubles, pains, problems, they are not permanent. They come and go. What is permanent is your attitude, your response to that. Like Lord Hanuman, as long as he had doubt about his capability, he could not do any given thing. Once he understands his capability, he jumped across the ocean. If you believe, things happen for you. Now I am going to list down certain important points how to improve your positive attitude. Take them as tips. Are you ready to receive those tips? Tip 1. Positive attitude can be improved by the following tips. Tip 1. Your attitude is up to you. No one can impose or change. You have to show your attitude. Then, second tip, rise and shine. Every time you fall, it is your responsibility to rise again and then shine. In any game, there cannot be only victory, there can be defeat also. When you are in the game, there is a possibility that you may lose also. It should not make you discouraged, disheartened. Rather, it should make you feel confident. Then, third step or tip, stop a bad day in its tracks. If your day is started in a bad manner, don't think that the day is wasted. You may have positive side also. Maybe that day is preparing you for worst things to face, or make you realize that it is not earned that easily. There is no free lunch in the life. Fourth, build positive friendship. It is a company which makes your mindset. Satsanga, if you have satsanga in the sense good friends, that environment definitely makes it positive. If you are in the company of good friends, their attitude also acts upon and make things positive. Then fifth tip, enjoy a hobby. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, those habits definitely help you shape your career. It entertains you, it enlightens you, at the same time turns you to positive. Get out of your rut. Then seventh tip, be good to yourself. Don't be cynical, don't be negative. Life is but life. It cannot be more than that. So take positive things from it. Look at the bigger picture. Bigger pictures in the sense, see things in a greater manner. Don't limit it, don't restrict it. Improve and increase. Then alone you will have better life. Ask for a helping hand. One of the important tips. Sometimes, however hard you try, things do not come the way you wish. In such situation, you may have to face it with the help of learned people, known persons. Take the help of others and be ready to help others also. Now, Let's move to some of the important quotations on positive attitude. When everything seems to go against you, remember that the aeroplane takes off against the wind, not with it. It is said by Henry Ford. People may hear your words, but they feel your attitude. One of my favorite quotes, as given by Max Well. Somebody rightly says, like a poet named Voltaire, life is a shipwreck, but we must not forget to sing in the lifeboats. Even if there is shipwreck, we should take the joy of life in the lifeboat. It is so hard when I have to, and so easy when I want to. There is one more saying from Zig Ziglar. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we are recommend it every day. Motivation may not last for life. In the same way, as we take bath every day, motivation may also be required every day. So you need to motivate yourself and become a source of inspiration for others also. A positive attitude causes a chain reaction of positive thoughts, events, and outcomes. It is a catalyst and it sparks extraordinary results.